Have you ever noticed your skin feeling dry, irritated, or more sensitive than usual? If so, you might be dealing with a compromised skin barrier. This vital layer, known as the stratum corneum, acts as your skin's first line of defense against environmental aggressors. In this video, we'll explore the essential process of skin barrier repair, how to restore its integrity and function using effective ingredients and practices. Whether you're battling dryness from harsh weather or irritation from potent skincare products, understanding how to nurture your skin barrier can lead to healthier, more resilient skin. 1. Understanding the skin barrier. The skin barrier is composed mainly of lipids, including ceramides, cholesterol, and fatty acids. This lipid matrix plays a crucial role in preventing moisture loss and protecting against external irritants. When compromised, it can lead to various skin issues such as dryness, redness, and increased sensitivity. 2. Common causes of damage. Environmental factors. Pollution, UV exposure, and harsh weather can weaken the barrier. Harsh skincare products. Overuse of exfoliants or products with strong active ingredients can strip the skin of its natural oils. Underlying conditions. Conditions like eczema or psoriasis can compromise the skin barrier. 3. Signs of a compromised skin barrier. Dryness and flakiness, redness and irritation, increased sensitivity, breakouts or acne flare-ups. 4. Steps for effective skin barrier repair. To restore your skin barrier effectively, follow these essential steps. Gentle cleansing. Use a mild, sulfate-free cleanser that doesn't strip away natural oils. Look for ingredients like glycerin or aloe vera that hydrate while cleansing. Moisturizing. Incorporate moisturizers rich in ceramides, fatty acids, and cholesterol. These ingredients mimic the natural structure of the skin barrier and help lock in moisture. Avoid irritants. Steer clear of fragrances, alcohols, and harsh exfoliants during the repair process. Always opt for unscented products designed for sensitive skin. Hydration. Maintain hydration by drinking plenty of water and using humectants like hyaluronic acid that draw moisture into the skin. Sun protection. Always apply broad-spectrum sunscreen during the day to protect your newly repaired barrier from UV damage. 5. Key ingredients for repair. Here are some powerhouse ingredients to look for in your skincare products. Ceramides, essential for restoring the lipid barrier and preventing moisture loss. Niacinamide helps improve skin elasticity and enhances the barrier function while reducing inflammation. Squalane mimics natural sebum to hydrate without clogging pores. Colloidal oatmeal soothes irritation and locks in moisture. Fatty acids, such as omega-3 and omega-6, help restore the lipid layer. 6. Lifestyle considerations. A balanced lifestyle can significantly impact your skin health. Eat a diet rich in antioxidants, fruits and vegetables to support skin repair. Manage stress through mindfulness practices like yoga or meditation. Stress can exacerbate skin issues. Repairing your skin barrier is not just about using the right products. It's about adopting a holistic approach to skincare that includes gentle cleansing, proper hydration, sun protection, and mindful lifestyle choices. By understanding your skin's needs and nurturing its protective layer with effective ingredients, you can achieve a healthier complexion that stands resilient against environmental stressors. Remember, consistency is key. Give your skin time to heal, and you'll be rewarded with a radiant glow that reflects your efforts. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Please share your thoughts as how you are taking care of your skin.